Here's how to install our OCAM Aluminium Canopy for the Mitsubishi Triton. Lay out all the panels and hardware and familiarize yourself with the kit. With the flat roof panel, attach strips of foam tape along the bolt channels. Then slide in the bolt rails and have the studs poke up through the foam tape. Make sure there's one stud left exposed on either end. Add a bead of silicone sealant along the foam tape, then attach one side of the canopy panels. Secure using the included washer plate and 10mm nuts. Repeat this process on the other side and make sure the panels are facing the same direction. Repeat the same process with the foam tape on the front and rear panels. Use the bolts to add holes where the mounting points are. Secure the front and rear panels to the canopy using the washer plates and bolts. Tighten using a 10mm socket and wrench. With some of the bolts around the corners, they may be too tight to fit in a washer plate, so these spots are perfectly fine without them. Just install washer plates wherever they can fit. Try and have the washer plates face outwards so that you only see the bolts from inside the canopy. Once the canopy is assembled, flip it over and add a bead of silicone sealant along the seams where the front and back panels meet with the side panels. To get the best and cleanest result, use some blue masking tape to mask off the edges, then apply the silicone sealant. Allow it to cure for 24 hours. If your vehicle comes with the factory bars behind the rear glass, they will need to be removed. Use an angle grinder to cut off the bars and grind down the welds so the metal is completely flat. Use some cardboard to cover the rear glass to prevent any damage. Paint the exposed metal to prevent it from rust and let it sit to cure. If your vehicle doesn't have the bars, this step can be skipped. Apply the rubber strip to the top and side edges of the tub, then fill the corners with silicone sealant. Grab a mate to help you lift the canopy onto the vehicle and make sure everything is aligned to the center. The canopy uses 3 clamping brackets and 1 rear mounting bracket per side. Assemble the clamping brackets as shown. The 2 elbow pieces are connected using the long bolt with both a flat and spring washer. Then the front slots are secured together using the shorter 13mm bolts with washers. Secure all 3 clamping brackets first. The rear bracket uses the factory Torx bolt for the rear hole, and then the 2 front holes require drilling. Then the bottom bracket is secured to the canopy using the shorter 13mm bolt and nuts with washers. Tighten everything down, then we need to sort out the brake light wiring. Attach the brake light to the canopy using the included adhesive gasket and bolts. Then use a 10mm socket to remove the tail light and identify the brake wire. In our case, it's the green wire with yellow trace. Using some excess wire cable, connect the black wire from the canopy light to the green wire with yellow trace. Then connect the white wire to the black wire on the tail light for ground. Test by pressing the brake light, then reinstall the tail light. Secure the excess using zip ties. And there you have it, your OCAM aluminium canopy is installed.